If you want to study abroad, but you're on a tight budget, or maybe you don't have enough money to pay for your dream course, dream university, or even your dream country, then this is the video for you, because today I'm going to tell you how you can study abroad completely free of cost. Yes, that's right. You heard it right. No tuition fee, no living expenses, nothing. And not just that, I'll also be telling you about some of the top colleges and universities in the world which have opened up their admissions for next semester. So if you're interested, make sure you watch this video till the end. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you like our videos, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on any updates. Now, before we begin with today's topic, let's look at some of the comments from our previous video. This comment is from Rajendra. Thanks a lot for sharing such useful info. Your videos are really helpful to get inspired and motivated. Thank you so much, Rajendra. We're glad that you liked our video. And yeah, do let us know what other topics you would want us to cover. Okay, now let's move forward and get to today's topic. So are you ready? Let's get started. How to study in Canada completely free of cost. Studying in Canada has always been an affordable option for students who wish to study abroad. The education system of Canada is globally recognized, and its universities are amongst the top-ranking ones in the world. Not only this, Canada offers a plethora of scholarships and financial aid options to international students as well. But guess what? All of this comes at a price. Yes, until recently, most of these scholarships and financial aid required students to have a certain amount of funds in their bank. They had to show that they could support themselves financially during their stay in Canada. However, this requirement has been waived off lately, and this opens up a lot of opportunities for students to study in Canada completely free of cost. So here's how you can do it. Option 1, apply for a scholarship. A large number of scholarships are offered by the Canadian government and various other organizations to bright minds from all over the world. Some of the popular scholarships include the Vanier Graduate Scholarship, the Killam Memorial Scholarship, the Ontario Graduate Scholarship, the Alberta Scholarship, the British Columbia, etc. There are a variety of scholarships to choose from, each with its own set of eligibility criteria and deadlines. It's advisable to start your research early and apply for as many scholarships as you can. Also keep in mind that most scholarships are merit-based and require you to have excellent grades, test scores, and a strong personal statement. Option 2, work part-time while studying. Unlike many other countries, Canada allows international students to work part-time both on campus and off-campus. In fact, the Canadian government has mandated that universities must provide international students with on-campus job opportunities. This means that if you work 20 hours per week on campus, you will be paid a minimum wage of $14.35 per hour. Additionally, you may also work off-campus for an additional 40 hours during scheduled breaks. With these combined efforts, you should be able to cover most of your living expenses while studying in Canada. Option 3. Take up an internship. Canada offers a range of internships for international students looking to gain work experience and earn money while studying abroad. These internships typically last between 3 to 6 months, and you'll be paid a stipend depending on your field and experience. Some popular internship programs include the Government of Canada's Internship Program, the Mitacs Global Inc. Research Internship, the International Student Internship Program, etc. Now let's talk about some of the top universities in Canada where you can apply. University of Toronto, ranked number 26 in QS World University Rankings. University of British Columbia, ranked number 46. McGill University, ranked number 61. University of Alberta, ranked number 131. University of Montreal, ranked number 161. McMaster University, ranked number 171. Queen's University, ranked number 231, Memorial University of Newfoundland, ranked number 298, Lakehead University, ranked number 349, Concordia University, ranked number 387, and finally University of Saskatchewan, ranked number 422. Now let's see how you can apply. First things first, you'll need to obtain a study permit which will allow you to work in Canada after your studies. Next, you'll need to apply for a social insurance number, which is basically Canada's version of a social security number. After this, you'll need to open a Canadian bank account to manage your finances while studying abroad. Finally, you'll need to apply for a GIC, which is basically a guaranteed investment certificate. You'll need to invest around $10,200 in a locked-in savings account for 9 months, and this will ensure that you have enough funds to support yourself while studying in Canada. Once you've completed all of these steps, you're all set to find a job in Canada after graduation. Germany is one of the most affordable destinations for international students, and it has a strong reputation for quality education. In fact, it is home to 400 universities, with more than 200 of them offering English-taught programs. Not only this, Germany is also one of the few countries in Europe that does not charge tuition fees to international students. Plus, it offers a wide range of scholarships and financial aid options as well. Let's take a look at how you can study in Germany completely free of cost. Option 1. DAAD Scholarships. The German Academic Exchange Service, or the DAAD, is a government organization that offers a wide range of scholarships to international students wishing to study in Germany. These scholarships cover tuition fees, travel allowance, health and accident insurance, travel allowance, and sometimes a monthly allowance as well. Option 2, Erasmus Mundus Scholarships. This program is for students wishing to study at European universities, and it covers tuition fee, travel allowance, living allowance, and sometimes even covered accommodation and a monthly allowance as well. Option 3, German Academic Exchange Service Scholarships. This scholarship is offered by the German Academic Exchange Service to students wishing to pursue a postgraduate degree in Germany. It covers your tuition fee and living allowance for the entire duration of your program. Option 4, Heinrich Böll Scholarships. This scholarship is offered by the German Foundation for World Politics, and it is meant for master and doctoral candidates. It covers your travel allowance, health and accident insurance, travel allowance, a monthly allowance, and sometimes even accommodation as well. Some of the top universities in Germany where you can apply include Technical University of Munich, ranked number 47 in QS World University Rankings, Ludwig Maximilian University of Munich, ranked number 58, University of Heidelberg, ranked number 67, University of Freiburg, ranked number 244, Technical University of Berlin, ranked number 267, University of Stuttgart, ranked number 345, University of Göttingen, ranked number 365, Karlsruhe Institute of Technology, ranked number 380, Free University of Berlin, ranked number 385, and finally Humboldt University of Berlin, ranked number 442. To apply, first you'll need to get admission into a German university. After this, you'll need to apply for a student residence permit, or the Studienleihe for short. To do this, you'll need to submit your application form, passport, academic documents, proof of enrollment, health and accident insurance, certificate of enrollment, and your declaration of self-support. Once you have all of these documents, you're all set to apply for a student visa. Finally, let's discuss about Australia. Who doesn't want to study in Australia, right? This scholarship is offered by the Australian government to outstanding international students, and it covers your tuition fee, return airfare to Australia, living allowance, health and accident insurance, and sometimes even a monthly allowance as well. Option 2. Endeavour Postgraduate Scholarships. This scholarship is also offered by the Australian government, and it covers your tuition fee, return airfare to Australia, living allowance, health and accident insurance, and sometimes even a monthly allowance as well. Option 3. Australia, America, New Zealand, and Canada AAA CCC Mobility Grants. This grant is offered to students wishing to undertake joint research in Australia, America, and Canada, and it covers your economy class return airfare to Australia and sometimes even a monthly allowance as well. Some of the top universities in Australia where you can apply include Australian National University, ranked number 23 in QS World University Rankings, University of Melbourne, ranked number 41. University of Sydney, ranked number 54. University of Queensland, ranked number 68. Monash University, ranked number 73. University of Western Australia, ranked number 221. La Trobe University, ranked number 283. Flinders University, ranked number 291. Macquarie University, ranked number 311. And finally, University of South Australia, ranked number 412. To apply, you'll first need to get admission into an Australian university. After this, you'll need to apply for a student visa. To do this, you'll need to submit your application form, passport, academic documents, health and accident insurance, certificate of enrollment, and your declaration of self-support. Once you have all of these documents, you're all set to apply for a student visa. So there you go. That's how you can study abroad completely free of cost. If you want to know about more such scholarships, financial aid options, and even more universities, comment down below and let us know. And as always, thank you so much for watching. If you like our videos, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on any updates. Thank you.